Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we're back on the Amotekun narrative, and the pressure is really mounting to push this thing through. So with that guys, I bring you this. Tinubu giving 24 hours to reveal position on Amotekun. So that's the headline. Tinubu giving 24 hours to reveal position on Amotekun. So now let's now see what pressure is being mounted on the APC chieftain. A Southwest Association Save Lagos group has given the All Progressive Congress stalwart Bola Tinubu 24 hours to reveal his position on the Western Nigerian Security Network, codenamed Operation Amotekun. Tinubu, who is seen as the leader of the Southwest by many, has remained silent on Amotekun, which was launched by Southwest governors last week. The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, SAN, had on Tuesday declared the outfit as illegal, whilst the Southwest governors have remained unfazed. In a statement on Friday, the convener, Save Lagos Group, Adeniyi Suleiman, said the group was giving Tinubu 24 hours to speak up. Suleiman asked Tinubu, who is an advocate of restructuring, to be courageous regardless of his rumored presidential ambition. The activist rubbished threats by northern groups like Mieti, Kuti Haru, which stated that supporting Amotekun may cost the Southwest the presidency in 2023. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's short and to the point, but the pressure is now mounting on Tinubu to take a position. You will recall, of course, during the death of Funke Olakunrin, I think it was, the daughter of Power Fashion artist, the leader of the Afenifere group, the death of his daughter. During that gruesome period, when everybody that witnessed that said this was carried out as a mindless attack by Fulani herdsmen, but Tinubu then came out and said, look, these are kidnappers and you cannot attach the name or the title rather, or the appellate or the tribal groupings of the Fulani onto it, because the most notorious kidnapper within the Nigerian space is Evans, who is of course a man from Igbo land, I believe. I think he's from the southeast. So he's now saying because of that you cannot attach the Fulani tribe onto that particular crime, even though everybody that witnessed that crime said it was carried out by Fulani herdsmen. So now we are now back at this bus stop again, and we're now pushing again, or at least this group is pushing again, for Tinubu to take a position. So what Tinubu is doing, in effect, is doing everything not to upset the Northerners, because of course he has that ambition for 2023, and he doesn't then want them lumping him as just a sectional or a sectarian leader and then turning away from him off the back of that, because he has been building this thing up since 1999 and it's now within his reach. But then of course events are speeding ahead of his ambition, and the goings on of these headsmen like type people are now forcing him to take a position which might then be deemed as sectional. Conversations in the comment section. Tinubu is now being forced to come out and speak on this matter, but then of course, will he have the courage to do that, or will he toe the same line that he told when the Fashionasi incident happened? Is he going to lump this under another catchment of I'm not getting involved and with the Malams, and how is he going to manage that? Because of course you have to know and remember that this group has the backing of all of the southwestern region governors. Is he now going to ask Sanwo-Olu to pull out of it? Is the question. Is Sanwo-Olu going to listen to him? Of course Sanwo-Olu will listen to him, because Sanwo-Olu knows what happened to Ambode, and what happened to Ambode of course was what brought Sanwo-Olu in. So is he going to go that route of pulling Lagos out of it? And if he succeeds, of course, in pulling Lagos out of it, the whole thing will just collapse. So how is he going to play it out is now really where the question is. But they've given him 24 hours now to take a position. Will he hit 2 days? Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of how Tinubu is positioned or not positioned on this particular Amotekun matter in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join in the comment section, but here I say voice.